The great thing about the Listerine bottles that come from Costco is that they have a pump head like this. Makes it very convenient to use. The only thing with this is it's great other than the fact that it drips a lot. When you pump the head, it likes to drip a few drops after you use it. And so over time, it creates a pool of Listerine that dries up and gets sticky underneath the bottle and around the sink area. And if you want to avoid that problem, there's a quick fix you can do to modify this pump head so that it doesn't drip, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's very easy and quick to do.
Fracking Creations, a YouTube variety channel that touches different parts of your life. Want more videos on
DIY?
Subscribe to the channel or check out our website.
All you need is an empty soap bottle that has a straw internally like this. And the size of that has to be the same diameter as the hole of the Listerine bottle. So you can use bottles like this, or you can use bottles like this. These are about the same size. So all we need to do, take the straw out or just cut a small portion about 1 inch to 2 inches that'll fit inside here. I've already pre-cut the straw. The tip of the straw, you want to angle it. You probably want to drip it back into the bottle so you don't waste any. And then you need to insert the straw into the opening here. So it looks like this, and then we'll push it in. We'll leave a little bit out like this. So this is what it looks like after the modification. See how it works? Now some of you will note too that this bottle that we have is smaller than the one that comes from Costco, and yes, that is true. Instead of continuing to buy the Costco bottles, which always come with a pump head, and then having too many pump heads or having to throw some of these pump heads out, we just need to buy replacement bottles. So we buy these from any other supermarket. They are smaller, but what happens is we don't have a pump head that gets thrown out or a collection of pump heads. And in order to make it fit, all you need to do is cut the straw at an angle at the bottom so that it just reaches the bottom of the bottle. As you know, these are all standard size caps, so this pump head will fit all the regular size Listerine bottles as well. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content to come.